Robinhood dividend issues stem from technical glitches, third-party integrations, and regulatory compliance challenges. Missing dividends, delayed payments, incomplete dividend history, and tax reporting issues are common user complaints. As of late 2025, issues persist, particularly for non-US users and those holding international stocks. Despite app updates and customer service enhancements, dividends are generally showing within 1 to 3 business days for most US stocks. First, check Robinhood's account section, then go to the Dividend History tab. Look for any pending or unprocessed dividend items in the history. Verify that your account is fully verified with your SSN or ID, as unverified accounts may have dividend holds. Ensure you held the stock before the ex-dividend date. Selling before this date means you won't receive the dividend. If the dividend isn't showing as pending, but should have been paid, it's time to contact Robinhood support. Use the in-app support feature within the app, or send an email to support@robinhood.com. When you reach out, provide your account number and the stock ticker for the missing dividend. Robinhood's support team typically responds within 24 hours, and they have automated tools to help with dividend inquiries. When a company declares a dividend, Robinhood's clearing firm receives it and then credits your account. Delays can occur due to weekends, holidays, or system errors. Keep an eye on ex-dividend and payment dates. Robinhood relies on external services for dividend payments, which can lead to potential mismatches. For non-US residents, dividend taxes like the standard 30% withholding on foreign dividends can cause delays or reduce your payout amounts. Robinhood provides Form 1099 DIV annually for dividends exceeding $10, detailing your dividend income for tax purposes. Always cross-check your 1099 DV form against your brokerage statements to ensure accuracy. Additionally, link your Robinhood account to the IRS for proper tax reporting. If dividends appear missing from your tax return, this is commonly due to unreported payments that need to be addressed with Robinhood support. If contacting Robinhood support doesn't resolve your dividend issue, you have options to escalate further. File a complaint with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, known as FINRA. To strengthen your complaint, keep detailed records of your holdings, dividend statements, and all communication with Robinhood as evidence. Robinhood has implemented several recent fixes and improvements to address dividend issues. Version 4.8 and later, app updates have improved synchronization with dividend processors like Computershare and Broadridge, reducing delays to just 1 to 3 business days for most U.S. stocks. The Dividend Tracker feature, launched in September 2025, lets users monitor pending dividends in real time through the app's portfolio section. Robinhood has integrated AI chatbots for instant dividend troubleshooting, which have reduced support tickets by 40% per their Q3 2025 earnings report. Looking ahead, analysts predict Robinhood will fully migrate to proprietary dividend processing by 2027, reducing reliance on third parties and cutting errors by 50%. Experts from finance and tech sectors suggest that Robinhood's dividend issues stem from rapid scaling without adequate back-end infrastructure to handle the growing volume of transactions. To address this, consider diversifying to other platforms like Fidelity, which offers potentially more reliable dividend tracking and processing. Be vigilant by monitoring your account regularly through portfolio views and dividend history tabs, and promptly engage with support if any issues arise. If problems persist despite these steps, consulting a tax advisor for proper reporting or switching to alternative platforms might be necessary.